Aerosapien proudly announces we are dealing with IG Drones Noida. A few weeks back, IG Drones founder and Chief Operating Officer Mr. Om Prakash Das visited our Aerosapien. We discussed our manufacturing process and technical support extra. Then Aerosapien got orders from IG Drones. First order we got Jaga landing gear mount. IG Drones facing some issues in landing gear mount. Then Aerosapien found some material and new design as per IG Drones requirements. Aerosapien started manufacturing with our production team. 2 days we were taken because of the number of settings and some negative settings. We used lollipop cutters extra. Before the special process we did an inspection as per drawing. Then sent for a special process for anodizing and powder coating. Finally we are done final inspection. Aerosapien manufactured all the dimensions within 0.05 millimeters. Then properly we are back and send it to IG Drones. Once received the part, IG Drone technical team seen our product, fully impressed with our quality. Then we get call from IG Drone chief of the product. He told your manufactured extraordinary quality product extra. Then we got appreciation mail from IG Drones. In that mail they mentioned, Dear Severum G. I hope this email finds you well. On behalf of IG Drones, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to the entire team at Aerosapien Aerospace Manufacturing Company for your exceptional performance and dedication in completing our recent project on time. Your commitment to excellence and meticulous attention to detail have not gone unnoticed. The quality of work delivered by your team has significantly contributed to the success of our project, and we are highly impressed with the professionalism and expertise demonstrated throughout the process. I am pleased to inform you that our top management is extremely satisfied with the results. Please convey our appreciation to everyone involved. We look forward to continuing our collaboration with Aerosapien Aerospace Manufacturing Company on future projects. Thank you once again for your outstanding service. Aerosapien really thanks to IG Drones given this opportunity. At the same time, thanks to our Aerosapien all team members. Aerosapien, our dream, our creation.